so easy not to. We try for it. Muga usia na merima. Oh, I said that for a jum. I'm a come for. I want my dinina. Yo, I'm a do. Ufri tinabia. Icha fore muga ujia na mere ma I said that for a jo American fo awangwadina yo wamido wo fit na bia ampa yo wamido wo fit na bio yo wamido wo fit na bia oh Jehovah medawo edawo fit na bio Jehovah medawo oh mi chawa for mo kan shiya na mere ma o I said that for a joe American fo awangwadina eo amedawo fi fenome ampa eo amedawo fi tinabio eo amedawo want to say good afternoon my beautiful people. I welcome you to this beautiful August program. And I say you are welcome once again. Today is a Tuesday, and as usual, just as you know, it's a Tuesday, and it's time for our afternoon teachings. I'm sure you know. It's time for our afternoon teachings. Now, for some of us, we made a lot of mistakes. Your relationships, and children be say because some mistakes we were. And I said, and the woman said, Abraham Sumay who say, O kwa to 2 Upibia now come who be say, O Tony Bafua. And I said, no, Fabi, Eddie at 2. I also already announced it. If it's a same, yes. Hey, Ghana 4. They will never call you until you are here. Addis Abeji. And catch us money frame. Okay. Yeah, quite here, Benny. I know there are a lot of things. SSA. Yeah. Inti enioma bi ho no obi ho na oni nyese bia oni obi wa na truly na he or she doesn't know inti odi a kire akopem se enioma eseye na se wonim ese busua eboa it makes you a better person se wonim na se busua eboa it makes you a wise person. If you say, Kase, Obi Esuadia, say nipa no wakosua de obi atwa to and obi experience and obi theory bi a odi ato no so akoto so no na first obi nipa no osua de enti me no mi enu ene yesu e ba be sua de bible aka efa ensa ensa na yababa Proverbs 31 wow na yewia na fiako but mu bi mie Proverbs 31 from 1 to 9 na ebi sumie Proverbs 23 I said been fun in a set me cover ebi me Proverbs 31 yeah can if you 1 to 9 and ebi so me Proverbs 23 yeah can if 23 29 to 32 be enough there yeah kind na yana me pewe no na me ko 31 na mama nyina akwa ba say dem ni mu no every Monday to Friday bia area say it's na na isu nyame asam isu nyame asam na dia encheche ai ka ho dia bram na wotimi enya bibiwo ansa na najo ana na nyumre eno so about 12 midnight bia eno so ishia na ya bompa ye ya fro akọ duma hinwa nani iti mbajo eno so if you're not part I won't say prayer train there prayer train stop go baby o man bia mi kro bia so baby network wo bia ye train fa hono iti de oyan ne so benya o ticket your network and o bundle and you are good to go so yeah you between you can board our plane and I say you can board our train and then we be there chira couple say ye bepo iti area bia between 1 and 2:30 and you may be answer between 12 and 3 and also you have it's about what I say but now so ba biti nya message right if you have no say the saying of Lemuel and me mato ni din say engumfi engu wani mase engumfi Bible say yefa ensa ano edin ema bakwase a yefa sadin ma bakwase a yes Bible ko di adanse ze bi ni wo hono ma ensa betima ama wa ye kwase a ensa be ma obi afre so ye gigi ntwi ensa betimi afre wene bayi ni abato ni say engu wani mase don't embarrass yourself with wine with alcohol. Don't embarrass yourself. You know, yes, that's everyone. I say the saying of King Lemuel. I say the saying of King Lemuel contains this message, which his mother taught him. The saying of King Lemuel that contains this message, which his mother taught him. I say, "Oh, my son of my womb, oh, a son of my vows, do not waste your strength on women, and do not and those who ruin kings." I was saying, and say what I want to. They won't mass, and they won't say a him for one was share him for us, one was share it was. Was saying say what I want to also. Was say it is not for a king. Tree no pa na yemi de nem kami bekuta tree Bible and kama kind pa dia ma. Was it is not for a king old Lemuel to guzzle wine. What say? And yes, I want him. Ebenonsa. Oh, and yes, any petitru. Ebenonsa. And yes, any papa. Ebenonsa. And yet, batch of Proverbs 31. You can't free one. Proverbs 31. Was he and yes, any papa, and yes, any petitru. And yes, I will teach you. Yes, any poor bunny. Ebenonsa. And I'll say, rulers shall not crave alcohol. Was in a wonga. One cassa would do one fees. One will show one fee. I him for at it. And it's a pabby, a brimpon, and says, oh, yes. Ubi a bunny who be announced. Okay, the book of Esther. Bible Bamayo Abaka Chero say, it started from 1. Esther 1. Now or he Zezes, and as or he Ahasuerus. Bible said, na, Uncle Yetitilupa. Nana Hinie, it spans from Ethiopia through to India. It's Nana Hinie, Nyekitwa. He had a huge province. Now what da no, and I say, would he ha? Metimaka say, young gun, Hanum, Yahimfo. Dodo na de ne ye tribal nti ye bia sembia ye wo enkranfo de ye watching for de ye wo konfo de eno no ye enokra ye we but when de na wotra amaya tina de net etra from just nane de net etra what's the name etra etra kro and it's now on my nay, amai, and ya canning bomuna odihe. So he was ruling 127 provinces. He was a king. What kind of Esther one? Oh, King Xerxes. Then so Bible me who say the most important decisions are. He only did them after having taken alcohol. The most important decision. I be a musobika say nay detrimental. So he made them after having taken alcohol. It's in Yamia some say, or see, oh Lemuel, na Solomon mamia. To the Solomon. Was oh Lemuel. It is not for a king to drink wine. It is not for a king. It's not for an important person to guzzle wine. And you need petit through it's a be answer or rinsa. We rinsa we are failed for. We rinsa we what to once. We rinsa we are ordinary. We rinsa we brabo you behave anyhow. We rinsa ultimately make flimsy decisions. We rinsa there are things you need to do. They are very important. You won't be able to do it. And sign your failed for. Then sign itself. And no one bet on your mind. It won't so be pensapa. Will be buried inside dear betching the annual sign your hangover. He would have to drink again and sana. Was me go check a crowd mathematics. Oh, obecha obewi no. Ade abeche se so sanso no biem. It almost 31st night. A lot of people back no say hey, mejai sanum. Me ko catch obi ase mejai sanum. Obekọ akoduru ho no no. Saa da no kra. And after obekọ akonom saa de akose no. Na afi nioma wo person obey nyina. It will linger on to the following year and I said the next year. And sana asanso akwakọ ebi. Owe nsa ema umu owe nsa ema unye ni patitiro owe nsa ejoto wankasa wa bra pasin owe nsa ema nioma nkoyie owe nsa ema wa wani mu onyam ebafo owe nsa ema wani mu onyam ebafo owe nsa ema wani mu onyam owe nsa oyiye nioma bi wankasa eti wa umudro so ebia first na kase de ka wa pa ka wotie se de na ka nipa bu se de na ka nipa nimu Said na ka obehu obi na wawe nsa na nsanti na obi jojo no na obi di ne ho fel na obi ye ne ho basa bi awo ni nyina ayede na nipa na say wase ne ho say wase ne ho nyina ayede nsa awo Bible say nsa ye fawdifo Bible say ye fa nsa no eden e fa ma bakwasea ye fa nsa ano eden ye fa ma bakwasea it will kind the book of Isaiah 5:22 was say no men kade oba ne ho nsamra ne nsa mede me we nsa pa ene won a wo frefra nsa no men kade oba ne ho nsamra ne efra ne ho nsa mede minimum nsa no men kade oba ne ho nsamra ne nsa mede me we nsa kwa chire ni nyina wo nyame asem yenko I say oh Lemuel, it is not working to guzzle wine. Rulers shall not crave alcohol. Or say, would di or mine so empty just as I was telling you. We share or hina. Na wa ware or your hima vasti. No hima vasti, na akuntokwa. And no granation I tokwa what tibijum. And I was my young friend a year mren. Me ye shows or baby ye be. Say be a tolebiana, ye be a one new ukun. Buafu kuko media memma or media jame or media for some call. Every woman does it. Next one he no is sign say na one no mon senti. Prakope and a sparky. Oh ni just say ni bufu ya edin kwase the Bible say was so bufu was so bufu anya boni. And so essence no awinti no. One ma will be quiet. Ama sa nipa no make decisions man. Ama nipa ne ka kire ne say bomodi a hwe said your oyiri wa frɛ na wan fi wi de ene agya no said your oyiri wa frɛ wan fi wi de na je sense so oyɛ de oyiri ene agya no wa hin se ene no kore me agya nipa no take a decision man na wo gina so mem you can okay Esther 1 mem you can anka se gina so ka kire ne say agya about your Esther 1 but me ye baby me gina so akasa no Proverbs 31 from 1 no echo but then me de share other places na ye de afemodi akọ enti o say o ka kire no o say me de onana said you yiri o ye said you yiri ye friend na one me one hwe ya emma nyina be ye bi enti gya no esa say no hin na wabonti Bible say utie no so yen kwase ase Bible say utie no so yen kwase ase Bible say utie no so bua no so decide say obeja na yire e di entia obeja na yire di entia o ja na yire based on the facts of friend na yire amfi ni nyina ye den e yensa Bible say yen fa nsa no e den ma bakwase a Bible say yen fa nsa no e den ma bakwase anyame na meka Bible say yen fa nsa no e den e ma bakwase wo kan Isaiah 5:22 na was say no men can once they call themselves they see themselves as heroes are drinking wine heroes are drinking and mixing wine it's one more from home mixologist obi anya ne de nyame emwa na de bia wo so ye nse dan ko ye bia do not embarrass yourself enwu ani mase oba enwu ani mase be me na abrantie wasi so emfa wo emansa obi bia wonom sa na dwen wo fom obi bia wonom sa bebiri na dwen wo fom wo sheda ntimi endwen si so wa hwe ye obi take decision ema wo he no ebiem the same king edru baby na Bible say Haman wo ye second in command wo pay say wo bekum jiwfo a wo hono nyina jiwfo a no mo da omo wo oman ni mu no mo nya boni bia ono okwaje permission say wo pese wo afflict won keke okwaje permission say wo pese wo say won keke okwaje permission say odi wan okwaje permission say wo pese wo say won now okunkun won nyina he was just going around looking for the Jews to destroy them no mo crime no say o mo crime ni nyina ne say na wo mu nim nyame o mo crime nyina say no mo nim nyame it is somebody out of one will ekokwaje Adisaje. Kaje se mo meeting. ono akoje permission se okukum Jews omo crime ne se ni nyina so mo yebon eso na ni nyina na nipa na ne boni a waye nyina ne se ayi Jew from boni nyina so mo ni nyina de wo mu no se hwe eto de bia ensa be ma wateki wrong turns ensa be ma wateki God bless you ensa be ma wateki wrong turns ensa be ma waye a grievous mistake ensa betimi ama waye ade bia wa bo hu se wa nsa enka wonye ya bompaye asumesi hurry bompaye na ka che wade se wurade boa me betimi nye focus wurade boa me na decision bi a meyi bia me fa me amadwi enye obra enye activated by ensa amen wo moa we say no saka chen say we say if you drink they may forget their you may forget the law and will not give justice to the oppressed. Was it so we in Sabibria? Next we in petitiwa. A be unnecessary make decisions be. One son and one winning tino. A bema will film Mrano. A bema web chanchanchia. We in Sabibria, dear cry, papano. Ube who somebody. We in Sabibria, Bible said, no man can your friend papa saboni. Na no men can your friend bonny say papa. Na urade asama ka wose wo bibiara wo frɛ bɔne sɛ papa wose bɔne mpa wo fie da wo bibia wo hu bɔne na wo hu bɔne sɛ bɔne ne yɛ papa Bible sɛ bɔne mpa wo fie da bɔne will look for you and consume you urade sɛ wo bibiara no men ka de your frɛ papa ɛsɛ bɔne and na wiase ne yɛ wɔ no and the people rather call God as evil. And they call evil as good. Wow. And then nipa frɛ bɔne. And then obi yɛ kwase ade mumu a. Ɛhɔ na hu sɛ nkrɔfo bɔgye ne so. And nkrɔfo obi yɛ bibi na nkoyi a. Ɛhɔ na obi hu sɛ nkrɔfo abɔgye ne so. Obi hu obi na wayɛ ade a nyɛ. Ayɛ sɛ sɛ nka obi se kyerɛ ne se na ɔka kyerɛ sɛ awe. Wo yɛ kwase asɛm ne gyae. Ɛsɛ sɛ obi se kyerɛ ne se na ɔka kyerɛ sɛ awe. Ɛne ma wo yɛ nkoyi. Wo ani na ho. Obi hu sɛ na yɛ gyegye ne so. Yɛ wayɛ ade. Yɛ wayɛ ade. Bible said no me enka wo frɛ papa esebone wo frɛ papa esebone wo frɛ papa esebone na rather wo frɛ bone se papa na obi bia wo frɛ bone se papa no nyame asɛm sɛ wo se wo bone mpa wo fie da obi bia wo frɛ bone se papa wo se bone mpa wo fie da se wo ankasa wo hwɛ bone tinyame so be boa boni be hwehwe nkwane nyina it will chase after you na obehu se wunya ya nka wanye was say boni ba was say nsamba you may forget the law and won't be able to give justice to the oppressed. Alcohol is for the dying man. Wow. Was when you drink you may forget the law. You won't be able to be just. Well, you won't be just. So, when you activate your senses by drinking, you won't be able to give justice. According to the law, now one can say, be out done. So, you need petty, so you need baby, I would dim anymore. Won't me any ano, and no soon tino. You won't be able to give justice. Where justice is due. It will be friend kwasi asem say papa. Ube friend emumuyo sa de papa. Na no ankasa will spell your doom. Na no ankasa e be page awo. Na be boa wa catapult o de wa ko ba bia pese o ko bia de be kum nso. Na no ankasa asem na wo ka no. Na no aba cheche. E be page awo to watwe. Na wani be gu ase. Yenko. O say and do not alcohol is for the dying man. Or say fansama will be a and some and some will be a and then some bakwasia and then some emma a dying man and some and the man ever money petitri was will be a account na kakrebi to kind Psalm 38 the verse 1 or say how we for do not fret over wicked people. Was in if you say you be chow me good says they will be cut off like chaff. So give alcohol, give strong wine to the dying man. On one guy's who then into open Sunday piano. And Penny and Pass who will be always what your man really constant for some time. But one any pan on one and any way, one any pan was sister, any pan with this figure, but only pan over for Becco Hospital. Yes, when you're the liver cirrhosis or so. Nothing, boy, or your massa. As I was, as I grab that could team, no call. It was alcohol is for the dying man and some. Who are what license is so pay when I win some. Until why we need down. We in society. Why we need down. Aye, we said the first part no boo, bra. First part no boo. What do home man, son? What do home man, you may be engine uncle. You said the Wabra Bojija. You said the new meaning I say. You said the one pa. Cafe suit me dress will be pen some biblia or dress a crowd that the dressing I so unkempt. Want to be grand in Huni. Uhuni came up, why you basa? Uhuni demo, why was a ball also? Baby or tea, any whom you ask a two. I didn't hear. If it's a wintimin in Huni, alcohol is for the dying man. Yes, and as a real son, with me taking good decisions, with me Shanusi, with me Yanabrani, and new man says a year as a man for himself, and new man says a year as a bar, we are bar open some biblia. Yamiano and Crofoke can know that. We are bar now pensa, and Crofon and order. Because when you drink and some baby, it will activate your libido. It will most preoccupant. Bemma kura sabe, or bemma be an enumo to bemma be a 1 fatter as on order. Nice and say warrior and sabunti. Musa or bar, now will crave for such a man. So one in Koda. Ubu say, no, baby will come and be. And yes, sir, I can't be the Jose. Oh, sister, Bray, and yes, sir. And Kaubama, a young way, as I do work with Crofo do who fell, Crofo grow, Crofo do one grow, a bojo so, a Utimi Buano cotofom, Utimi Bua, oh, what it's true, only papa, a penny, Yamma with Juma come, would dano. A Juma papa would dano, would bossy butter, and Kawukradi and Kauko and Nimupa, and Kanyansa, yea, Mibra. And Kanyansa, and Kadabiana, why Jumana would really, where Juma won't mean ye, and Yansa, and Kaukran Cabaya, who say, and Yansa, and Cabaja, who say, and Yansa, Cabaja, who said, Debiano, I basa, and Yansa, and Cadabia could be me a casa when you say, and Yansa, and Cadabia will be a cabo, where Juma crown to me, ye, new messes out here, and no be the women who are dear from some, and no be the women who are dear from some, and no one who are dear, who will be a count once upon. Oh, and Yansa. I was inside and felt the fool. Was your fan, son? And what thing? If I'm a baquasia, it is a woman, son. Let me more. Nah, wait a minute. Let's say, young Proverbs. Yeah, young Proverbs 23. Young Every 29. Proverbs 23, Emra 29. I say, who has anguish? A child will be a ransom. And go any mass, what? We are about one of some baby. You might be one more pons or point you my oak feel. The be I just on them, sir. The be I will say, what on, sir, or you're not doing it just on them, sir, and what? Debut. You are single, it doesn't mean the only answer. You are single, it doesn't mean the rather refuse. Oh, Maria, oh, Obi Baba. Emma Baba. It's men can say, to see an imagine jeans in a marine, sir. It's what pon I could feel. You want to wooden sa, the war tons, and you may be our noms, there be. Over, ever say, Bemwa trope, Bemwa bassa. Said a cow won't fetty. Wins half a bedroom, Buna wire bassay. Wouldn't come Bemma ancestors or no Casacran or no Babacasa. Bemma could ancestors or Besso Pacrano Babasuya. Who wins when we are, who be cry sabi, and ye nay, you know. Now, or Banua be dear of a dainty. when you win quite Debbie. Baba, Mr. Watson, and you go. And we say, Unikum, Ubi Baba, Unire, Ubi Baba, Unia Juma, Ubi Yabi. Depending on you to oh, yeah. The woman say, anytime you are left alone, what shall demo, who are kemo, what ya bontio, who jario, baby, I would tibia. Anytime you feel so alone, know that there's somebody there. It's true. I didn't hear. Yamia someone say, I will never leave you, nor forsake you. It's a thought of your wife, you say, I can dream a man, me no son of me at me hot. So one thing a woman said, dear, I want someone say, Oben no baby. Not all your problems are still staring you in the face. Obe sabi obe bo a misbehaving and I say be the opposite you obey ye baby. Obe who not the answer you it's still waiting for you. And it won't change anything. The fact that you took an alcohol wouldn't change a thing. It will still all your problems will still be staring you in the face. The fact that unisika, the fact that unyare, the fact that uniuhuni, the fact that unshadanyobia, it will still be staring you. So why don't you be sober? Bible said, don't be drunk with wine. Now you know things. What's it? So ubeboa, what's it for nyamiasa mumbo, ni yangas wejim. Menyamiasa mumbo, ni yangas wase. Menyamiasa mumbo, ni yangas wabodam. Menyamiasa mumbo, ni yangas wonye papa. Menyamiasa mumbo, no bi yangas sabi. Wo wa fe nyamiasa mtu wejim ai. Menyamiasa mo, be drunk with the word of God. Don't be drunk with wine. But be drunk with the word of God. It will kind Joshua 1:8. Was said, this book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate upon it day and night, so you'll be able to observe and do according to what is written in it. And by so doing, your ways may be prosperous. By so doing, your ways, what's here? A man doing one of that. The woman say you cannot do it by yourself. Bible says, you can only do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So I didn't know went to me as well. Bible says, what depend to me, baby? I just said the freeze Roman answer. So if it's a night answer, so you cannot love God. You cannot claim to love God where you go contrary to His word. You cannot claim to love God where you do not do things that pleases God. And you expect say, what's the name with dear? Say me do ready. Then so yeah, mean to me bibia na metimi aye. Really? Bible says so do me. Now no Yesu free Peter. Offering it 3 times. Peter. No ajesu. Peter. No ajesu. Peter. No ajesu. Was oh, I didn't know friend me be sir. Was Peter. So do me. Hear me why? If you love me, feed my sheep. Was it so do me? Hear me why? So do uradia. Was it can zamba? Was it do uradia? Don't be ashamed. Me, I am not ashamed of the gospel. I will say it and I am not ashamed of the gospel. Me ferinya me asemuka, me kanine, me kanochina, me kanidebia. Me in fact, me kura me penanu Bible say, yachi Peter and John no na Yakobo mo dientia after Pentecost ba ya no. After the Holy Spirit came no. Bible say, "Wamu ka ho nyame asemuama." The people didn't quite understand it. And omo che ne de audio mo call Pharisee for no eho. Na ya di omo call ye no. The omo questions and say, "Aden no omo ka nyame now they are giving a different doctrine. And said the normal one. No. So they were yachiwamo. And they decided this year the omo kotum. And the papa be no say Debbie papa mama for omo kotum. Na hey ebi no ma bako. Asem we a walk e free nyame e begina. E free nyame a obeko. Za mami on to hoi. So free nyame a obegina. O free nyame a obeko. You don't need to do anything. Eti jano no mfa na yintra hono. Na mo de mo pebi ya mo de mo kakra bi na mo nko. Na Bible say wo mo papa oma mo mo keto abi o wo mo hyi wo mo papa wo mo bu wo mo ma chi papa na oni ma de ba kwa na esiri wo tama Peter no mo ko no mo si yay. We also count it all joy So we have also been crucified together with Jesus. Hey, nyoma Yesu fair yes, you did a big to a I shall say, I just say, yes, you are so rad, and he said, yes, sorry, ye. Yes, you are so rad, and he said, you did it at me, yes, you are so rad, and he said, yes, you are so rad, and he said, we did you want to have, Mammy, catch your Bibles accounted all joy when you are persecuted for the sake of your work. So we nyame adwuma ni entwa wada pa na je se wokura wonche dan me yanya obi adan ma wo bi nyawo ma ho kwan ni nyawo ebeboa what dey make am e ma hu se ugina brane if so bia wo ye bibia it's say there should be some form of confirmation and validation so obi e si e kan edidi watam na nsam ne kan nyina ya no kura ene na je se wo no was akọ no akoye homework yi na se ka wie na se nyame adwuma na oye na ogogina na oye ni yie na obi mani pa kwan. It is part of life. It almost say they counted it all joy that they were crucified together with Christ. And tell us some nyuma esuafo ne fam na ya ba batomutimi na do na me pesa me catch you say intime ni nyuma be echi na ka say o say who has anguish. When the bedroom of Pana and Watcher pa, the patch of Proverbs 23, every 19 is all still about Ensa. Who has anguish? When the bedroom of Pana, why so stressful? No, I basa, no, I disoriented, no, I disorganized. Who has anguish? Yanko. Who has sorrows? Who is always fighting? Yeah, nyamia somebody do. What tell me who? Oh, now I boy maniwa. Ah, mama who? Wakwenyi na mo. Wasamuya mid. Eh. Wasamuya mid. Eradie wasam yamido. What tell me who? Yeah, now Abu Mahaniwa. Mama, wo. Aquanyina mo. Wasamuya meda. Wasamuya mede. Eradie. Wasam yamido. Yankosi. Why? In a bedroom of pa. Na. Why you so stressful? Why you disoriented? Why you disorganized? Who has more anguish? Who has more sorrows? Who is always fighting? When or pentokwa? When a debia one you be kuntokwa? When a debia would didn't crofwater? When a debia one in crofwalk? Okay, can you put boom? When a debia war pentokwa? When a debia what kind the book of Jeremiah 1 the verse 17 was here. Open one tokwa. Okumpa de one ubeko. Nasu to me party. To me. Was it? Who is always fighting? And who is always complaining? Who has unnecessary bruises? Why not there be a walk? Why not there be odidin crofwater? Why not there be a unnecessary bruises? And obe who know a bra, and obe who know a basa, and obe be a no a pasa. Tie. Why not there be a walk complaining? Obe a baby, and obe a say, and obe a say, and I mean, obe me problems, you know, be a cause. Who is always complaining? Who always has problems? Who always has bruises? Who is always fighting? Me patcho Proverbs 23, me kind 29. I hope na me jina ni. Who has unnecessary bruises and who has bloodshot eyes? Ube da bia na nani aye kokko, da bia na nani aye ngawo, da bia na nani asoja. Who is always complaining? Who is always fighting? Who is always in anguish? Who is always looking for people's problems? Who is always looking for people's troubles? Or say, it is the one who spends long hours in the tavern trying out new drinks. Hey, was it the Adabia or question Sabia baby and sour? Now one wins. Was it baby the Nipa? What Padabia and sour? baby ensa wo Bible said say feudifo obi a wo kotena baby ansafo nsabofo wo na be dey all try new head where your white one where your blue one where your yellow one where your great one where your blue green one sir who does that or say dear wo hwehwe baby ensa wo na orensa the wo pensa bebrebe no so that he is the person who is always in anguish, who is always in sorrow, who is always who is always fighting. The one who drinks and say a 34 and say a 34. The one who is always fighting. The one who is always complaining, the one who always has unnecessary bruises. No akoko, ni abono. No akoko, ni abono. We on mo beko okromo beba. No akobo wa odagotem. No we pra. Bo hu bi na ni ase epia. Bo hu bi na ne mama so etwa. Bo hu bi ni ya yigine hu sika nyina. Ne sika hye ne koto. Wo sa sabronti. Wa boa take one. Take one. Take one. What they take one. I forgot in name. And the second answer was who is always in anguish, who has problems, who is always in sorrow. Why not open? We in Sabibria, am I open to quite unnecessary? We in Sabibria, I didn't say, would you go to quite be into what? I didn't know before. Who is always in anguish? Who always has red eyes? Why not what bloodshot eyes? When they be an in the soldier was he away? The one who drinks in God. Was he? It is the one who spends long hours in the taverns trying out new drinks. Don't gaze at wine. See how red it is. Say, bro, was me giant son. And so who says, hey, she, and so now you say, and so now you come and say, yes, so we party, yeah, but you do. I say, don't gaze at it. Then, what the white drink was in Sasso, and some will make you act foolishly. That change our hoko. And I'll be said, I can't was a kind because my wedding was yes. Who didn't say, and some will make you do unnecessary things. I say, don't embarrass yourself. Don't embarrass yourself. You go many months. What? I say, don't gaze at wine. See how red it is. How it sparkles in a cup. I had to be one of them. Say, so what we are now, Bunkwan, and a about your Yamia some Namekano, a Yamia some Nameka, and Pato Yamiadum, so a year high. What person would tear, but you bet me tea, when I year before no free so. A Yamia some Nauka is about life. I may teach it every Monday to Friday, be a bro, between the hours of 1 to 2:30. Timpacho Hanuma, no TV. A winning one, no TV. If you don't like it, Pacho bit me a call. Your Proverbs, beginning, you can Proverbs Proverbs 31 from 1 to 9. But man can't could do 9 any idea. But who will feel we are hoping you can write it somewhere. When you finish, you can also go through it. Now, if you are sorry now, you see, there are a lot of things that Nipaya, you move be you need to Bible. You need to bring Pussy be a Yamia Semuti. Of course, well, when you Bible near, I know that's your way. But medium in the Bible, and that is what I have decided to do. And that is what I am here to do. It's Mr. says, what's here be a bebo? If you are now that domain, if you are now Jina, if don't be any more church. There are times you need to. If you walk around, would you know be? Would that we a bushianji for who a bushia, wouldn't you know penny for a wouldn't you know ketwa? Wait me a church. And as if you don't need to be everybody has been called out as a witness. Ubia has been called out as a witness. It's baby or Ubia. It's all call Yamia some cherubi. May you young woman transit. May you say, as a baby out your barber trahono, night to say, what black book, and you know, the obit listen, you are sorry them for a reason. What if you are out for a reason? You are going through all those challenges for a reason. So the way I was so obit media took before her. No question when you say Moses Joshua num Jacob num for Solomon num, David num, and you mo nyina fa mu Isaiah, Jeremiah, Elijah, Elisha, all the things they went through. So woman come one kai fa Bible na we wouldn't get anyway. Of course. And na fa Bible no say kai mu nsam ne ade a utia wo hu say e obi ne story. Wo hu say e obi ne experience. But the person went through it just as you are also going through it. The person also went through it just as I'm also going through it. It will be you also have to go through it. Said the beya so and the people write books, we take them, we read it. Now I transform him. As a son bravo. Do not conform yourself to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewal of your spirit. It was a day. Says Nyame ajiwi. Say also masakra. Also do Hama Christo. Was do not conform yourself to this world. What you say we are said we are say your media. Listen, if you want to validate yourself, if you want confirmation from the world, you won't get it if you are a child of God. No. If you want confirmation you are a child of God, but you want confirmation from the world, no. The world also has their way. Moscow also has a way of doing their things. Also, they also have a way of doing their things. And of course, you don't expect so you're Christian, I don't know how they call Muslim for there. You're Muslim, that's a Christian. As we said, a Christian for your money. Science soon as TV say, you want to conform yourself to the things of the world. And also, as we said, your money. So you don't expect to say you do things according to how. No. The world will not accept you the way you would here. If you say, as soon as we are saying one day, and as soon as so do not Romans 12:2. Because do not conform yourself to this world, but be ye transformed, by the renewal of your mind. And no banner say that's why you're born again. You go any. I say get a would you be one more say or you so or sakeka and the NHS say and I say okotena baby oh my madam for no your rain sapa but me movie. Oh me, I can even be with them, they can drink to stupor, but for me I don't drink. Bible say if you don't do it, don't go closer to it. If you don't do it, don't serve people with it. If you don't do it, you won't free. What was it one pet? What's it one pet? Bible say a fan, son, Emma Bacasia, and son, a feudiful. A wine is a mocha. Nessa wono, you don't want to be a mocha, but then you want to give it to others for them to drink to stupor, baby. It honestly, and Kotana baby, no Hunsana or share. Yes, in Sakura, we have grown now. Will you start fantasizing about it to cry? Yes, yeah. I'm here, somebody catch it. Yamina Mitchell Bible. Don't gaze at wine, see how red it is, how it sparkles in a cup, how smoothly it goes down. We are sure saying, Nipa Bebre Baga say, when you know, when I'm asking, but on the sense is somehow. Proverbs, a kind every 29, this is here, Medru 20, Medru 32, no. Medru 32, no. Or say, don't gaze at wine and see how red it is, or how it sparkles in a cup, or how smoothly it goes. And baby no advert, it goes smooth. Because listen, or say how many of you and I'll bet me a soldier now they go academy and then you cover it without it burning you. What one will be our dija a good atadium. Ube soldier go atadium now see and show. So we mean son. Waba, emma your sexual edges, pa. Waba, we sa. Emma we are debianka ordinarily kaunye. We sa it drives you to even watch porn. Your microphobia honmaka. Kenya diena wayena. Enye bibi ne wenye active ingredients bia. Enka emma no kwarensa. Emma no enko porn. Na so bo say, or we insane kakra no da hono say well, I feel for sex, but then I don't want to have sex. And no swinty no then pono kwa question. And so it will lead you to do other things. It will better when you know. Now fe wo na kwa o rensa. And some ba ko na ko no me. And lead you among sexual edges apa. Among what started watching porn, of course. porn ni nyina ya de ba ko to obonsam pese de obonsam pese o ya ne se obi ni obeda o se me ye ono akwa wensa na afu ati akwa hwe ni oma hwe pono afi bedu echi na afu oni we akwa akoda and I bu hokra wa start masturbation. There are a lot of people battling. I'm a woman of God and I know what I'm talking about. There are a lot of I didn't know say a mampo na me nim say because masturbation and this annual man and I thought say it was for men. But there are a lot of women that almost battle with masturbation. I said, mommy, I cannot stop myself. Now Nobi said, mommy, I saw myself. I saw myself in a vision. Somebody was sleeping, but not bad, you know, baby, that woman. And I was seeing them, and I made sure they were sleeping. On that they were having sex in a way. I said, they almost yes, I'm sensual, you maybe. I said, mommy, before I realized, na me yanka sami obano, but the mensa ashamase. And mama started masturbating. If you ever, okay, nyamia some Romans 9. Was na papa me permit me you. Money I pay na me. The good that I want to do, I'm not able to do it. But the evil I do not even want to go close to. That is the thing I find myself doing. Was it say yes answer there? And you're not boniaba who feel. And you're not boniaba at a crane. Maybe I make a say, mammy. Would you mean you when you mean you? But maybe so will be or ye in your suffer. And our young pieball suffer. Uso daye, what I stood I will crama cracker. Uso daye will a drama. Uso daye who will be so to creme. Also, Diana, cram maybe will feel, and you try to, we were chasing after it, now so cram and so on you with Diagro, and then who cram a cracabi, now say, not who are Bobby, who, what's the name? Or what, mommy, me who, some black, a python me, and I mean, who wait, and in the baby, okay. Opa, mammy, what dear, only mean yet, me nyame ye minimu na me ka kire na me nso me nyobi a me fro bi ka kire obi se be hu we I am not that part me nye bi da but the woman say opa he wo ankasa to humpum bible e wo homo obi a to humpum na kan nyame asem na ka kire ho se o pese hu to me na di so na bomba ye shedem 7 days wo anka awurane to me be mama quotation Jeremiah 33:3 was a suffer me de hia dem ameju so na me kire onioma kese a ehinta wo it your force enioma kakraka wo a ehinta wo obetimi e de no agina so abompa bi se urade kire me tumi eye adwuma wo mu urade be yi a kire wo awe wo da ho sa wo ngasa wo hwe obesa bie wani adwane Bible say papa me permit ni nye boni amempe eno na me di ekire e di enti if you say boni aba atimi if you say boni su atimi if you say tumi bi afame tumi bi yusu me woti wa tumi bi ana obeda oba otimi no da at we to be da obesore bo se hu bi abe yusu se funfam and you cannot be with me ba 33:3 Jeremiah 33:3 was sufre me de hia dem call on me oh Ewurade se usu wan ka se ye you sufre me tire se pray was to frame me the hand them. Na me so na me kire wo nioma kese a ehinta I will show you great and mighty things that are heading from you. And it's ade na ni be e wo wa ho e hye wa ho. Na Ewurade be bie so na wa hwe a wo be bie wani asori adwane agya wo dan no. Na wo dwane agya wo dan mo usu dan na se bibi ti wo kra mu ama me yi. Enya usu dan hu se bibi wo dan ho. Bibi wo fi ho. Da bia wo beso dan na tokro bi. Na boa bi ne na mo dan mo. Na boa bi ne na mu fi ho. Na boa bi abawura. Wura mu na boa bi bia ni ba bia aboa na wo dan ho. Wo dan mu no ya wo kra. Wo hu ye ka edan ana ye depict edan kirewa. Edan gira ho ma wo kra. Also, I know be pia oka. What you come no be pia ka na stroke on your babema. There are a lot of things that nyamiasam. It is clear nyamiasam. Enye bosire muka. Enti nyame kasa. Nyame wa kasa wa bebu. The Bible okan bebra ye de Joseph ekotu fiasem. Na nkrofo so da ye ho no mu busa. Wose na daye ene daye ase kire nyame na de ma. Say nyame amfa mfiri soro amfa ma wonni. Nti na no ti hu say ye pia wako na hu anti owu ye ya na ogina wa na so sorry ya wanya mouse stroke no. Mfiri ba bia eye nyame asema me. Baba eye nyame asema. There are a lot of things that was a cry or I was so friend they hear them. Leviathan or Tinipakram. The serpent, the greatest serpent. What it nipa. What you be a gram. Uma honka or better. Would you won't pay a jack bottom soup over. And the Bible says, yes, would buy or say, me, my family one to Nipaso. If it's a minimum, they will nip him. Yes, one him the send pack. Jesus only the article was it. And yet the nipa and the quality money good with you. That the free nipa muba. And to one yes, by was 1 to the pebias. The old titty nipa cram when I know you. Now home a fakwa baby soon a bowra. Fakwa baby soon a bowra. The told the you find yourself who honor was say, and I know I will be kind of your mammy. Miss soon Diana di mango. We say, well, also Diana would di mango. Mango, you know, mamma. Sa wosu na bebre no hu se ebia mama makopie a plantation and I say a farm bi and a farm no emu nioma nyina aso me hu se e fruit bebre wo mu na metiti bi eno de yedie tie ba ayi e dan so ene nyame adwuma e contextual e the contest a hu ade ene chi e dwama plain and simple. Was a mommy, I know me so Diana me di mango. We you know, I felt for sex, Miss Wenwari. I felt for sex so strongly. And before I realized, I was sleeping with somebody. Many will be a koda. And my mention, Sabria, ye shampoo boom, ye won't buy boom 40 days, 40 nights. Yes, we shampoo boom, sorry, one we share. It's a young one, and then 17th day of our prayers and fasting. Yeah, more prayer training. So also I be a winning you want to join in. Obeti me join in. Yeah, what prayer training is? Yeah, 40 days fasting and prayers. Bible okay Matthew 4. Bible said brother na Yesu was champagne bomu 40 days, 49. The spirit of the Lord took him up on the mountain for the devil to test him. The confirmation keke. There will be a lot of challenges. There will be a lot of, including having to taste alcohol. Why here? A baby no fasting and sacra and Sunday say wine and Sunday wine and say or and listen. What kind? Ephesians 6, 11, 12 no more corner. What's say? For we do not wrestle against them, flesh and blood. By heaven, we are saying penny into me. And near home money. We are saying penny. Who to me? Who are home money? There you. But I want to me person the edge. I didn't hear because the spirit itself cannot work. What kind? Mark 5. The Nyamiasam said, not to me, ba kope. Yes, to see free boat to my work, baby, or drew baby for gatherings. Na nipa ba kope na ne jina ho. Na a home over 2,000 they said, I'm about them. Na home over 2,000 they said, a home over 2,000 na I'm about them. A chine free nipa mo de na go to esi ye. Oya no hu bibi enye. It took Jesus. Yesu tu ahohomoni ni free ni mu. Na ahohomoni ni free ni mu no. Na Bible say na there were over 2,000 pigs. Pigs mpreko feeding. Na preko pe sa ahohom no tu ya na ahohom no. Na ahohom na kasa kasa ebra owura no ko twahwe Yesu animo o se Yesu jeme na preko pe no se Yesu Nazareth ne obranso na aba ba yede. O se o man ni free ni mu epie o se ei empamo yesesi ade yedoso o se sa o doso se o se ye ododo. We are many. We are many. They were legion. You can say legion. A battalion of soldiers, over 2,000. A legion of demons. Not they were controlling only one man. Oh, mama, what about them? And a woman, you need free fear. I didn't know what to. esie ana Bible say omutimi ma ofade no kate no ono agasa fade no twitwa ne hona moja eba na wo suba he cannot stop himself ono agasa fade na wo twitwa ne ho yes there were no chains bia etimi binding no bibia ni wa ye digu ni nsa etimi binding ni meyi ade bia ye digu ni nsa bia yes ye digu ye di chains akese to ni nsa wo ye ni say kikra nati ahoden ben na ni power obetimi e de ate ahi ahohom bi na control ti tumi sha oso na di omu no say okay the 2 Corinthians but the make nyina am dey mika na wo dey watch we no afesamboa okay 2 Corinthians 4:4 was say for the God of this world was say na wiase nyankopon afra wani na hu de ekoso wiase hu de nyame ye hu yi Kristo hu anu nyam no hu ohan na da Jesus so wiase nyankopon ti was say asennua ne hu nsam ye nkwase asam ma won a wayira sa de be ya hu ko hu de ekoso eti of course obi wo kra wo kanya me asam kro no kra na baba be didi watam wa be kan no kren chere na baba be ye be didi watam sa de ntia if you say we are sinyankopon e fra nani enti won pese obi hu de ekoso 2 Corinthians 4:4 we say for we do not wrestle against flesh and blood so tanfo ba won che ya wo mo kokko on kan chere so over nenso ura ni ko twahwe Yesu na honhom ehye ni mu na they were over 2000 Bible said now Mary Magdalene Yesu Kristo otu ahonhom maako 7 efri ni mu we ma wo de no o kan nyame asem wo look was Mary Magdalene oba ba akope Yesu tu ahonhom maako 7 ono get no time what you na control na wo yensem ho ono kura no nim se to me bi na yes until he met Jesus had to ostracize and as cast out those demons. And son who say, yes, and Mary Magdalene, from whom Jesus cast out 7 demons. You say, oh, my own choir, almost someone over you. Samson, my own choir, Yami would obey. It's your choice. And Korean son say, oh, we say, oh, my brother Bobadeja, my brother Babasisa, and in your name, the woman says, baby, I'll tell you, baby, I'll go to Rubia. Catch her, what is it? Person me do it. And God will always say, God is there for you. Every do. I told them last time one of my children was telling me the dream. I was saying, I didn't know there was something with me. And this girl I'm talking about, she lives in Canada. Was mommy, na me nim se bibi ehye so de bia na ya kan se bi na me de nim se to me bi kura na meti. Was na da no e bon pa ya se owo bi o hye so entu ene ade a o se me bon pa ya ni wi mommy. Me da o sa na me so da preocupe me hu you know baby e da me nche. Na oba no ase woni me di agro ase na da for me ase o da me so ase me ye ne lesbian partner bi e na woni me di agwa so person kiss me ene ade o ye yesa until I said say me dear I want to be married and then live a normal life. Oh, I was working preocupe na de na dani bibi abu bi no so ne mini na wo mi an say the devil always come in different shades. Now obe pretend now to be say you said you know insanity mami if you ready na ready wo hu mobo no sakra wa bra that's already sakra wa mami na so di na chi here. That's why you forget to conform to this world and live according to the dictates of the Bible. Babra bobe de oda obeda o ubenya peace of mind ha hu omuye for ubenya peace of mind. Ubenya peace of mind ewurade to be obi wo koda kora na yam hyehye de bi obeda bi agese hu bi ne beda obi obeda bi agese tumi bi ba ne so to be obeda obeso da no na masie obeso da no na mompoano obeso da na mobi na no bi se uso da na hu se obodafo di wichi uso da obodafo bi di wichi we try so stop no aba o try so stop wo di wichi wo abeso da no tumi bi di wichi ade kakra no atete o he so hwe na no eyufi ebuso me say eyufi ebuso every baby eyufi ebuso bosom di wichi tu beso da na de bia na bosom di wichi beso da na o bodafo di wichi bosom but in your mass the one Bible, of course, we grab it myself saying was as empty. But the truth is, why was always in Yamia? Behuno, okay. 2 Chronicles 15, 1 and 2 na. Was in a catcher. Was in a young Eba Ahazias. And what you know, catcher and say, go catcher. Benjamin for you, therefore. I did all when you said me where the many one said the woman in Menamono. Tell rather some catch yourselves when you at it. Kwasi man kwa Kristo sum na ane sum na urade se wono sade a wani ate no saa no no so asafo urade Yesu Kristo na ni ate e wo so wo se sa wo mo hwehwe me a mema wo mahumi na so wo to me twene a me anso ma urade meto wo ma twene eti wo se sa wo mo hwehwe me a Second Chronicles 15. Was then the Spirit of the Lord came upon Azariah, son of Oded, and he went out to meet King Asa. And as he was returning from the battle, listen to me, Asa, he shouted. Because he said the Spirit of the Lord came upon him. It's a seminar now, walk and then you know, no come. Was it the Lord here? Listen to me, all people of Judah and Benjamin. The Lord will stay with you as long as you stay with him. Was he would they were no better until he had to be Honma? Was he in Yamma? Elder Abby, you be an age of me by now. Bible said, now one was so bad, you know, and do a jay no. One what Jay did, yano. A sank of four no pet. I know ma won't to me say, when you remember. Where do you belong? If I was say, was a dodua a chain no. One eye genie dindi and a sancrophone penny where I say, oh, my won't to me say, when young Boma. It's in young crow, nada, we are body. We are body. As soon as body and as soon as until you can only be called a son of God, a child of God, after having believed, after having confessed to say, Christ is your Lord and personal Savior. After having accepted Christ. That's what I was saying. So what do me and the Mashadias? One to me because I love Jesus. I love God, but I don't love Jesus. You are not going nowhere. How? I love God, but I don't love Jesus. How? Was will be there any who bit me about in China? Yes, or no wine, the banner so. If you saw there was one in the body, I was say. For a long time, Israel was without. I said, the Lord will stay with you as long as you stay with him. And whenever you seek him, you will find him. But if you abandon him, he will abandon you. Very plain and simple. Was me here with the men on said you want to when you at me so many at we are Zanch and Miss May in Mario. The obey be I will come at you according to how you also behave. Now so say over me. Remember who me now to me chine. Miss Met watching. Now there back what can was say. Now so say me my amabo thing. If my people called by my name will humble themselves, it was called by my name. Meaning said there are some people that one way would have did that one so. As we see, I am not ashamed of the gospel. I'm not ashamed to call myself a woman of God. Oh, Debbie. In fact, I love this, my new job. I love it. And that is exactly what I want to do for the rest of my life. And so help me God. Was it me? Me know what he said the only meeting. Me know what Nam said the only menamon. Say Odomia. What should show me? Was it me? Mama will me. Na say who? Say what to mention here? Oh, me so much to watch. It's my musa away. What will I actually? I rather say what to watch on one so much to watch me. Eh, how? Was it what to watch on so much to watch? 80. Okay, Job 8:5. Was it a who should show already? Nasa Okotona. Saw what's it? That's a what's in here. Was this a Uradis was Wadakora? Obe Kenya and woman. Was this a Uradis or Wadakora? Obe Kenya and woman. Nasa Washas here. Aye ketewa bia. Ose wa wie ebe kokuru. Nyame ukuta. Nyame onu ne wo ho. Nyame onu ne te. Ade biara ni ho no a. Ewurade. Se wo ne nansi. Ebeto wo ewurade so beja. Unya wo da. Na so say I will not leave you nor forsake you. And you may be crown. Ebe wo akwa ya Kristo mami nchero. Wo ba betimi ewu. E kabrabo. Wo ko betimi ewu. E kabrabo. Ye betimi achi wo ankasa kora akotum. E kabrabo. Wo betimi ayare wo bra wonwe ho. E kabrabo. Ah na no Job. Bible say obonsam she da kwaje permission so ba betomenten. Enti wojeje na ekumu ne manyina. Ewie ehyi ni nwuma nyina. Owie no omampompo bobo no firi niti so. Niti so sei. Ekosi ne na asem. There you no akwaje permission so be ha no. Oye na bi so be ha no. Enti ewurade beti ayi obonsam beti ma ha mo ayi. Bibia beti ma wo abrabo ohia e kabrabo ahokyere e kabrabo eni die ni eni tan e kabrabo ho hwe to da bia me de bia me hu wahu osofo bi kanyame asem osofo bi a onni experience osofo bi o sheda mfani mu no o kanyame asem o kire okura nyode because na de ono akura onni bibia o fa hwe mu so already said nyame asem be mu hu se wose na me wose ho na pese odi mechi tie wose ho na pese odi mechi wose sani pa no ubeja wo ma no ubeja papa ubeja wobusua na yi wodi odan wasennua betoko sasem no tiase e se wo be famaniem ho na pese odi mechi na no Paul na dwe nyina sese a wadane wa free Paul abedane so wa free so abedane Paul ya wadane ho ama Kristo no dwe say everything was all right until his challenges started. The Bible said, baby, okay, Paul yetimi buna na ezo ni apeja ni na koto baby. Ni na koto baby na krofo bi si wu. Oh, na chiafo na be fa no. Na yakọ nurse ni wounds na se ni hu to ne kakra. Ni hu to no se mi ko ganya mi asem no di America no ko. Na ya chi no. Na ya de to prisons ni ye no. Na no Paul and Silas, omu hu abaya bi. Bible say na baya na hu money na ewo ni mu. Na the slave masters they hu fiance ni mu. The demon in the girl was yielding much fruit. Na di etia. No isu say ya. No mu the demon bi ahye ni. Ejo ahyamu wo. No afa no ahwe ni nsem. Na wo kan krofo hu nsem telling about people's fortune. Or say and the slave masters na omo di demon ni share girl ni mu. They were getting much benefit from what the girl was doing. Until the girl met Saul. Na Saul no Paul no na Paul no mo kanyame asem no mo ko na ge idio mechi. Hey, these are men from God. These are men from God, and if you want salvation, follow them. And Bible says Paul again got exasperated. Paul got furious. He got angry. Now Bible says he turned to the girl and also who to me who fear I say Arabemu. Pierre. The Bible say, "Preocupe, if you forget him, hey, so what is here the poor? Friends, what is here the poor? Any Silas, echo 2 years here. Again, any demon no mutu in 19 years, you go 2 years. That's the Bible say. And I do assume now more one pay, now more to you. Bible say, preocupe, please in ho, as I said, it was soy. As I said, it was soy. Get ni nyina bibi chase ni ade gugu omusa ni nyina tete na ewurade yiwo na prison warden no wonu kra na oye prison warden no na oti ohun se eyi na biebie no prekopa na yam hye se yi nkrofo ya de omo ma me yesi me hwe omuso yi ade ya woso de se omadwane enti okwa akọ prekopa kodu on mo ohun sa de ni nyina biebie Bible say he took a sword wode be won ho no akuda na pause hey ugo kun za ere yawa ana say go yango oga asa medwane minya nwane metete nkwanche hey ya oga asa meko minya nko metete nkwanche hey ya oga asa mejai minya nyaye oga asa meko minko baby ya oseme wa hey ya preocupa aferi prison warden na ya din krofo ya sha omonsa onu de o makose the Bible says he didn't even take them to the ordinary prison what the omo ko share dungeon And then I'm born anything. They ostracize demons from people. We will be we in Yamisofu ye. We in Yamisofu papa. Now can your crench manipulate me for one what have one body way? One person, number me the omens and me what have one you find. The devil doesn't like me. I do not like him. One me penasa monosum pemasa. It's in your friend, the woman say anybody who stands for God, automatically you are an enemy to the world. You are an enemy to the world. If it was in the real coupon, one we are singing coupon. I want some. We are singing coupon friendly penny when you may some. Now, would you say walk of any meas? How the Oba church, Oba church, and ye, and many pet me at the Omo. One idea of my cages, one more Yabusium, we are seven. Why I talk grawesi or yam some no one's answer. One wishes she read no cocaine. One must sell a brabo. Ah, woman, you know, more happening to say they were almost say, oh, person, is it your place? When I come on by, Anna woman, when I shall on. Any time we obey your advice, obey Jina ye, I'm a Christo. Obey your time. Tioba, what was your na Busia, when you are no more town, so cross morning. Why were they? Who could you say that I also Yammy morning? When you grant once to say what the Odin morning. Oh, my men, Phyllis, you are the odd one out. I don't know why they open your sums. Morning. The Bible says, count it all joy. When you are chastised, when you are castigated because of me. So Crawford di water, Crawford bro. Was one episode bedi mechi. Sani pano say, ubeja wena. Aye. Na wa bedi mechi. Was if no afa cross. Ade ato kon. Ade abedi mechi. Ade entia. Nyame echi na uba bedi. Hey nya hongo so. Ubeso so nyame ya enye ize sister. It one hwe ya bibi kitua bi ba wakwam. Obu bibi kitua bi na okobosom so. Bibi kitua bi okwasem kwa hwe mhye bere. Bibi kitua bi osoka there bi. Oh how beba. Amani beba. Urade peso hu se ho. Obeti me nyina manana. Ti ya insare no. Men fansa, men kasa odinsa. And how they check your problems. I say you ma be ko ya there bi da. Shaw ho so. Gina brane fa ho to urade so. E hwehwe urade. Na wa bra bo betimi asiwie. Ma men ka no kora nkyerem. Mesra wo. Nyame. Oho ma ye nyina. Nyame. Oho ma ye nyina. Obi biara. Odo ho beto urade so. Urade so be hwehwe. Obi bia wankasa nyame ayete se dan kakraka. Ukọ na wo ba ohwe odin. Wo decide say wo be fa na urade bejo. Ma wonsa so sa wo pese. Wo fa Kristo se ura no okraje kwa. Ma wonsa so. Kase meji mi di se na wonsa so sa bra wapeja wonsa kase. Meji di se Yesu Kristo ye Nyankopon ba. Me boni nti no be wu yi. Na me bimbo nti no sorry. Nti enne me na wo di odi aka ho. Me fa Yesu Kristo se mi wura. Ane me kra aje kwa. Menene bananti. Me kwa ina nyina. Enti Awurade boa me. Se wakaza asemu ya. Automatically nyame nkonkora ba nchen. Wona wo betina. Na obekyerekye wo nse. Enti sabere batakenkan. Ade biara etwe ekon saboro ho. Ade biara etwe ekon sareɛ ho. Ade biara ma wabrabo eye basa. Enyume biara ma wankasa wabrabo ntimi si ba me. Nipa nyina do wo adie. Bible says nipa nyina do wo adie. Enti sabere ya we decide say you are going to go for God. Enyo bia na bepa wasam. Ama men kan ko ran kyerɛw. Yesu tama o kanyame asam, Paul o kanyame asam. Enyo ordinary people kekenetan no. Na ye scribes. The Bible called them scribes. Omo no mo so nimo de. Omo ano mo ya sofo, omo ano mo nim nyame yie. Omo ano mo ti nyame, omo sankrofo na so de ti aro. And the people was obviously stand up and castigate. E go for be town, go for be the nyame ase. Count it all joy. If you say urade, onu no kuta wo. Na urade no betena. Me srei urade ma wo so. Wa bra ba wo ho nyina. Nyame hu konkuru wo monwura. 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 Nyame hu konkuru. Me nyina ba wani papa. Fa uja bi cha wo hu hia. De wo hyecha wo papa mane hu. Papa the Osha showed the money who, Papa the Osha showed the money who, dear be son so, dear be son so, dear Yaria be done so, dear war paw pray, Papa, Obi Biara war power whom, Yaria, whom our rear, Obi Biara yadi be a child who is here. A radio beer, would depend on this way to say the new man in a year, and also cook one and himself. Oh, Abbey, Kodamawati, Nabua, Geno. Obi biara wo pe wo hu papa ani hu obi biara wo pe wo no ne wanante papa ne nko said ye na no obo pini no Ethiopian kano na o kire no nsam awurade asam de mdi ja won se na emu awurade asam sam nka kire wo se Proverbs 1:23 o se sa wo twe ho firi ho bone ho na wo tie wo no awurade na asam o se eno ansa obehwe ni honhom agu so na se wokan na asem a wate ase nyame mma wokan na asem a wonte ase nyame mma se wo hwehwe na honhom nyame mma wontimi fa wo nto no so wade nyine amen ba twa nwumere yi efesan so hia ewo ye night no so ye midnight prayer train no ba twa be hia so midnight bia Monday to Saturday midnight dia yishiawa ye kan nyame asem ne de nya bre ye kan nyame asem ewi aya bompaye eti pacho bre bi e honom de ewi a yetimi me ye deliverance ye nyoma bebre bibia nyame ngogoro ebe lead ye bia ye e wo honom na endia ensenkyere ne awo anwanwade enyoma bia si honom bi bra bi wate mentina ho ye wo mu se nyame asem ejira ho woma individuals that nipa mumu enko heaven obi abekwa akobu na konta enko enti se wugina omi nje na oka otunsem hu ni guazu menko yenko me bia ye penise ya ni ade mami ye wankasa okwaje hu kwa bible say de ho we samsam ye de osoma amena adwuma ye wa nkwaje hu kwa that hu na abekwa akobu akonta wadafo no odi wachi akeka nsem hu kire hu tia wanhwehwe nyame ye kire kwan no wono so obewu ni wu akobu ono kwa na konta wo so obekwa hu kwa wo de enti hwehwe wurade to le bia ya say agro ye fani pam ye fankrofo enti ne ye nioma bi ye nyina ya nkwe ye nyina eso wo gina ho kwa wo tenka sanya ho nkonkoro kora fere wo hwehwe wurade da fa ho to no so na nioma nyina etimi akoyi nyame hia ono te na ni mu nkyira the prayer train so anadwi 12 midnight pepese me hia na yetimi abompai afro akodum ahinwani o pese onime edi nkomo pacho me number send me voice message me number 0207 939870 0207 9390 939870 0207 939870 if I'm Lady Reverend Mami Ebosid na mi won share wate yes Evia